Hi there guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable your separate audio tracks from Filmora, because I saw this problem a month or two ago and I didn't know how to do it, so I just search it. I just try everything in the program, and today I finally discovered it, how to do it. First we are going to drag the video. And as you can see, if you play the video, we are going to hear only the desktop audio, but we want the desktop audio and my microphone audio, my voice. So what we are going to do next, we are going to right click on the video audio track and then click on the second one, the one it's not checked. And then if you drag down and then play it, somewhere here we're gonna hear my voice. So this is the only thing you have to do. So if you don't want both of the video and only one video and both of the tracks, you are going to detach the audio and then delete the video and then delete the empty tracks, and this is all you have to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope I helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.